Hi. So my project was based upon intercom systems and trying to make them smart by learning people when it was called and to allow remote control access to the door. This was done over a Videx 6272N intercom system as shown below. The full architecture can be seen in the report, but in short, use MQTT to communicate between the microcontrollers and clients. This would detect when the door is opened and also can control a solenoid for opening the door. A Discord bot was also created just to receive and send commands to the ESP32s and to alert anyone who's connected to the server. When the ESP32 detects when the speaker is on, an analog reading changes and a message is sent to the door alert topic. And a demonstration can be seen as follows. To control the door, I planned on using a solenoid which is connected via another ESP32C3 to press the open door button. However, when testing, I broke it and couldn't really get a replacement in time, but the code should still work assuming another one is sourced. It can be called using an open door command in Discord, publishing a message to the ESP32 door open topic, and when received, this switches the solenoid on and sends an acknowledgement back on the acknowledgement topic. Here's just a brief overview of the ESP32 phone code. Basically, it'll connect to the local Wi-Fi point by scanning Wi-Fi's, and then connect. Once we then connect to the MQTT server, we'll then subscribe to the door open topic. Then, in the loop, we'll get an analog reading of the phone state. This should be around 4056, and when the phone turns on, it'll go to between 0 to 2000. We'll only then send messages every 60 seconds just to stop spamming. Then we'll publish the message to the door open topic. Likewise, the solenoid code is very similar. It will connect to the Wi-Fi point and MQTT broker. Then in the callback function, when we're subscribed to the door open topic, it will check when any message is sent, and every 20 seconds just to assure that it can't be spammed. Then it will write to the solenoid and then publish an acknowledgement back once the door is opened. Lastly, the Discord bot is basically just two threads, one for listening for MQTT messages and other for Discord messages. The bot can connect to any server and will listen to a door alert channel, and whenever a topic is sent, it will then send a message saying either someone has rung the door or the door is being opened, depending on the topic. And then in the Discord client, we also then check if a open door command is sent, which will then request for the door to be opened.